What if the next time you sent money there were no banks, no delays, and no hidden fees? Blockchain technology isn't just changing how we trade Bitcoin, it's redefining the entire financial system. From how we store wealth to how we lend, invest, and even insure ourselves, the world of finance is being flipped on its head. Let's dive in and uncover how blockchain is rewriting the rules of money. The foundation of the revolution, blockchain's role in finance. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized, transparent ledger. In finance, this means one thing: trust without intermediaries. Forget banks, brokers, or clearinghouses. Blockchain replaces them all with code. Key features of blockchain in finance. Transparency. Every transaction is visible to the network, eliminating shady practices. Security. Cryptographic algorithms ensure your assets are safe from fraud. Efficiency. Transactions are faster and cheaper because there's no middleman. Cross-border payments. The death of high fees. Traditional cross-border payments are a nightmare. Delays, high fees, and currency conversions eat into your money. Blockchain changes that. With blockchain, sending money to another country is as simple as sending an email. Transactions are nearly instant and fees are minimal. Platforms like Ripple and Stellar are leading the charge in this space, proving that blockchain isn't just a buzzword, it's a solution. Decentralized finance, DeFi, banking without banks. DeFi is blockchain's boldest promise, a world where you don't need banks to save, lend, or borrow. Instead, you interact directly with smart contracts, automated code that replaces the need for human intermediaries. How DeFi works. You deposit funds into a decentralized app, DApp. The app uses smart contracts to lend your funds or pay you interest. You remain in control, no bank manager, no approval needed. DeFi is already revolutionizing lending, borrowing, and earning passive income. Platforms like Aave, Compound, and Uniswap are turning anyone into their own banker. Tokenized assets, investing made simple. Imagine buying a fraction of a Picasso painting or owning part of a skyscraper in Manhattan. Blockchain makes this possible through tokenization. Tokenization is the process of turning real-world assets into digital tokens that can be traded on a blockchain. This opens up investing to everyone, not just the ultra-wealthy. Benefits of tokenized assets. Accessibility. Buy and sell in small amounts. Liquidity. Trade assets instantly on global markets. Transparency. Ownership records are secure and immutable. Smart contracts. Automating trust. Smart contracts are the unsung heroes of blockchain in finance. They're self-executing agreements where the terms are written in code. Real-world applications. Insurance. Claims are processed automatically when conditions are met. Escrow services. Funds are released only when both parties agree. Real estate. Property transfers without lawyers or title companies. Smart contracts eliminate delays, errors, and costs, making financial processes seamless and reliable. Digital identity, a new era of security. In traditional finance, proving your identity is cumbersome. Endless paperwork, verification processes, and risks of identity theft. Blockchain introduces decentralized identity, putting you in control of your data. Advantages of blockchain-based identity. Your data is secure, encrypted, and under your control. Verification is instantaneous, saving time and effort. It reduces fraud and identity theft. Challenges and the road ahead. While blockchain has the power to revolutionize finance, it's not without hurdles. Scalability. Can blockchain handle millions of transactions per second? Regulation. Governments are still grappling with how to regulate decentralized systems. Adoption. Mass adoption requires education and infrastructure. Despite these challenges, the progress is undeniable. Banks, startups, and even governments are embracing blockchain for its potential to streamline and democratize finance. The big picture, a decentralized financial future. Blockchain is more than a buzzword, it's a paradigm shift. From enabling unbanked populations to participate in the global economy to eliminating inefficiencies in traditional systems, blockchain is the future of finance. It's not just about Bitcoin or Ethereum, it's about creating a financial system that works for everyone, everywhere. The question isn't if blockchain will change finance, it's how fast it will happen.